Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade futures on Tradingview using Tradestation in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the Tradingview subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you are going to get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. So if you are interested, you can just check out the offers and hurry up because only 2 days left. So here, in order to trade futures on TradingView with Tradestation, you need to first of all come here on tradingview.com. Then log in here with the help of your login credentials if you haven't already. Once this step is done, simply click on the search icon here on the top. Now you just have to load the chart of that particular futures pairs in which you want to trade. After launching the chart, all you need to do is you need to click on the option of trading panel here in the bottom left hand corner. Now scroll down a bit and click on the option of show all brokers. Now over here, use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then when you look for the Tradestation option, its icon will be visible in front of you. Now over here, click on the option of Tradestation. Now it will ask whether you want to connect your live account with it or your demo account with it. So whichever account you have here with Tradestation, you just have to select that one. Then click on the option of don't remember me, or you can just uncheck this option. Then click on the option of connect. Now, as soon as you click on the option of connect, you will be landed here on the tradestation.com website. Over here, you need to simply provide your login credentials with your account. You can provide your username and your password, then hit the login option. If you don't have an account on Tradestation, you can create one by clicking on this create account option. Then you just have to fill out these details, and it involves you to simply provide the information in the 6 simple steps. So once your account is created, you just have to provide your login credentials and connect your Tradestation account with TradingView. Now once your Tradestation account is connected successfully, you will see the account balance, your equity, then your margin, and a bunch of other details over here. So on the top left, you are going to see the option of buy and the sell as well. So based on your trading strategy, you just have to use the long and the short tool here on the top. You need to place these over here just like so. After that, you just have to simply press these buy and the sell button, and your order will be placed here on TradingView. So this way you will be able to start trading futures on TradingView with Tradestation. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.